This is Otaniemi, and this is ByDrone, Finland's first fully automated, commercially available drone delivery service. And it is carrying something very special: falafel. Let us show you how it works. Patrick here is our relatable app user. Charming, but not too good looking.
Hey.
Sorry, Patrick, you are very hunky.
Thanks.
So Patrick, let's see you order a falafel from A Bloc using ByDrone's app. ByDrone's application allows you to order not just falafel, but basically anything under 2 kilograms, like groceries or flowers. ByDrone is able to cut delivery times to mere minutes. So Patrick, what are you going to do for the next 2 minutes?
Ice bath, obviously.
Well, that makes sense, I guess. While Hunky Patrick here is taking his bath, let me tell you why it is possible to create ByDrone specifically in Otaniemi. Otaniemi is home to the Aalto University's campus, where institutions and organizations strive towards innovation and new ideas. One of these organizations is A-Grid, which is a creative community of ambitious startups, companies, and entrepreneurs. A-Grid helps promising startups by providing workspaces and access to funding, mentoring, hackathons, unicorns, and giant stuffed animals? There are currently over 200 startups that are members of A-Grid.
What? 200?
That's right. Otaniemi is also home to the world's most innovative shopping center. A Bloc is Otaniemi's own premier shopping center with restaurants, shops, cafes, a gym, and pop-up stores. A Bloc also provides opportunities for startups like ByDrone to test their products and services. With the help of all these resources at Otaniemi, ByDrone was able to move from a concept to actual deliveries in less than 6 months. So, as you can see, in Otaniemi, anything is possible. Even drone-delivered falafels to a man taking an ice bath. Only in Otaniemi.